Welcome to the declassification of the NeuClix Tactical Reactor and the shift from rented software to owned intelligence. This video will cover the atomic infrastructure needed for market dominance. The genesis point of this new age was the Clearwater War Room in Florida. It was a messy, heavily air-conditioned office space, the epicenter of human commerce, protecting the hardware within. The artifact itself is a compact, palm-sized device. It has a rugged, military-style black chassis and a designation plate reading, Tactical Reactor. The thermal output is a faint, steady heat, and it functions completely offline. We are shifting from the molecular era to the subatomic era. This means moving from rented cloud software to owned, on-premise hardware and fragmented manual patching to autonomous unified workflows. We are moving towards licensing intelligence infrastructure, not paying for human friction. The machine's anatomy includes the orchestrator, the core self-hosted virtual private server, and knowledge silos, which are localized vector databases. Control rods ensure governance, and fuel rods, or model context protocols, drive the actions. Launch pads handle deployment. Knowledge silos are the memory layer. They are specialized containers loaded with domain-specific expertise, such as legal, healthcare, and real estate terminology. Raw data is refined to target output through these silos. Operational power comes from interchangeable fuel rods, or model context protocols. These hot-swappable plugins dictate reactor functions. Examples include content, data, and communication fuel rods. The 24-hour autonomous command outlines the reactor's self-learning cycle. It begins with awakening, processing intelligence overnight, through to feedback loop, where the local database immediately updates based on owner input. Comparing deployment architecture, generic cloud SaaS introduces latency and privacy risks due to multi-tenant models. The NeuClix Edge Reactor offers zero cloud lag, instant content generation, and data sovereignty on a local network. The escalation of power moves from basic reactor access with the neutron through increasing capabilities in the proton, electron, and nucleus, culminating in the Edge Reactor, the ultimate on-premise hardware for zero-latency execution. NeuClix provides a private label edge by licensing infrastructure to power-branded AI assistants. This includes custom-branded hardware, white-label readiness for specific roles, and franchise scalability for agencies. Achieving critical mass is about building infrastructure for localized AI dominance. The network effect feeds anonymized market data back to the core. Exponential intelligence allows the system to learn and instantly optimize responses across all markets. This is the endgame.